birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Flying किसी के दे पापा ने. I love you पापा. कितना? Love you. Ha ha. High five कर दे पापा ने. High five.
many happy return of the day. Happy birthday. 30મા જન્મદિવસ ઉપર અમારા આશીર્વાદ અને ભગવાન તારા સ્વાસ્થ્ય સારું રાખે, જીવનમાં પ્રગતિ કરે એવી પ્રભુ પાસે પ્રાર્થના અને ખૂબ જ આગળ વધ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
चलो बेटा, 30वां जन्मदिन की तो खूब खूब बधाई हो. ऐसा मेरा आशीर्वाद है. तुम सदा खुश और सुखी रहो और तुम्हारी प्रगति दिन दूनी और रात चौगुनी रहे, ऐसा प्रभु के पास प्रार्थना. जय श्री कृष्ण बेटा.
Happy 30th birthday, you old man. Finally, you are in your 30s and I am in my 20s. But on a serious note, Hiren, today I would like to tell you that Ivan and I are really lucky to have you in our life. You're the best husband and the best father. And you're even wonderful human being. We both love you with all our heart. So on this day, I would like to wish you all the happiness, all the success in the world. 20s was wonderful, but I'm pretty sure 30s would be the best phase of your life. May you achieve all that your heart desires for, and may you get a very long life, so Ivan and I could get to irritate you even more.
Hey Chotu, hi. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Today, on this special day, I pray to God that He shower all the love and happiness on you, and not only today, but today and forever, and all your dreams come true, and wish you a lot many success on every step of your life. I really wish I could be with you today. Very happy birthday, dear.
Hi Harry, wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you with lots of love and happiness. Stay blessed, stay happy.
Wishing you a very happy and amazing birthday. To you, Mamu. I love you so much, Mamu. This is for you, my strongest Mamu. You are the real help for me. Happy birthday, Mamu. I miss you.
Hello, Hiren Kumar. Jai Shri Krishna. Many happy return of the day. Happy birthday, beta. ભગવાન પાસે અમે પ્રાર્થના કરીએ કે તને સુખ, શાંતિ, સંપત્તિ, તંદુરસ્તી અને સમૃદ્ધિ આપે એવી અમારી ભગવાન પાસે પ્રાર્થના અને અમારા અંતરના આશીર્વાદ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Hello beta, many happy return of the day. May God bless you. જીવો હજારો સાલ અને તમારી મનોકામના પૂર્ણ થાય. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Hiren. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Jiju. Have a great year ahead. May you have super duper years filled with happiness, love, and adventure. And hope you reach the 1000th year goal earlier than 1000 days. All the best and best wishes for years ahead.
Hey Jiju, happy 30th birthday. You are one of the most amazing person with such an inspiring personality. I wish you all the happiness and wonderful years ahead. Keep inspiring us and keep the cheerful spirit alive. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hiren bhai.
Happiest birthday, uncle. Stay blessed. Have an amazing year.
Hiren, શું તારો બર્થડે છે? નો હોય એ યાદ કરતો એમ તારો બર્થડે છે. હિરેનભાઈ, હેપી બર્થડે. ભગવાન તમને ખૂબ સુખી કરે એવી શુભકામના.
હિરેન, આવતીકાલે તારો જન્મદિવસ છે
અને જન્મદિવસ નિમિત્તે તને ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભકામનાઓ અને તારી જે કાંઈ અપેક્ષા હોય પૂર્ણ થાય એવી ભગવાનને પ્રાર્થના.
Happy birthday, Arun Kaku. Bye bye.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Happy quarantine birthday.
Happy quarantine birthday, uncle.
May God bless you with all the happiness and success in your life.
God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy 30th birthday, uncle. I pray that you succeed in all your future endeavors and all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, uncle. You have always been so supportive, kind and caring. You have always been second dad to us. Whenever we needed you, you were always there for us. During this lockdown, we cousins enjoyed at your house. We had lots of fun with you and auntie. Uncle, be the same and keep calling us and then have fun together.
Happy birthday, uncle. Hope you have a successful year and may God bless you. Lots of love.
Wishing you many returns of the day, brother. Wish you achieve all you want in your life.
Happy birthday, brother. First of all, thanks for all your support and love. You deserve the best in every way. May this upcoming year brings lots of love and happiness in your life. Keep it up with the same energy. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, uncle. I hope you have a good day and a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Hiren.
Happy birthday, Hiren bhai. Wish you lots of success, happiness and love.
Hey Hiren
bhai.
A very
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hiren, I know you since your childhood, and today I am very proud to say that you have become a man what you always dreamt of. I can confidently say that you have made your family and all of us very proud. Enjoy the day, dear.
Happy 30th birthday, Hiren bhai. Happy 30th birthday, Hiren bhai. I hope you have a wonderful day and the year ahead is full of fun and adventure. I hope on this special day all the happiness comes your way. Enjoy the day.
Enjoy the day.
Hi Banu. So you're turning one more year younger now. And what should I say? I mean, there's no special message, there is no nothing, because we already have 20 years of special memories and still more to come. So I wish you all the happiness from God and all the blessings, and may you always succeed wherever you go. And happy 30th, my man. I love you, you know it. Happy birthday.
You a very happy birthday, Hiren Bano. Wish you very lively and enthusiastic year ahead. હજી તારી અદ્ભુત વાતોથી ને દેશ વિદેશના લોકોને બાટલીઓમાં ઉપતાર, ખાસ કરીને આપણા પડોશી દેશોને.
Hi Hiren. So, turning 30, huh? I think turning 30 is a little hype. Especially for a person like you who looks like 18 and now you are turning 30 is really hard to believe. But anyways, happy 30th birthday and welcome to the gang. No, don't worry, I am 30. But you will be now 1 year elder to me now onwards. See, I have a small suggestion. When you are turning 30, either you look back and act like you were crazy, young, forever, or you become more wise and matured. But I would suggest you be the way you are, but a little crazy and matured now. Bye Hiren. Have a nice one.
Happy birthday, Hiren. Thanks for gracing us, for your awesomeness, for past few years. And say goodbye to your 20s and welcome to your 30s with great opportunities and so many adventures. Wish you an amazing 30th birthday. Stay blessed.
Hey buddy, wish you a many happy returns of the day for the 30th birthday, and wish you a very good birthday and a happy new year. In this lockdown, I'm sure we will not be able to do a big party, but we'll wait for it for the next one. Thank you. Bye.
Hey Rajni, wish you a happy birthday. May God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling forever.
Hiria, happy birthday bro. શું ચાલે છે બકા?
You have a super day, bro. Party Baki.
Many happy returns of the day, Hiren. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Hiren, here's wishing you a very happy birthday and a little message that I wanted to give to you is you've been ever wonderful, fantastic, always very helpful. Somebody I can say who's a true friend you'd want to have. Enjoy your year. Wish you all good things. Enjoy fatherhood. And once again, thank you so much for everything you've done for me. And I'm glad I met you, yeah? Love you, bro. Have a good one.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Kumar.
Happy birthday, Hua.
Yay!
Hi Hiren, I've known you for a very long time, almost 13 years. It's practically a long time indeed. And I've known you from becoming an aggressive football player to an exemplary businessman, and then to becoming a lovely husband to my dear Ruthvi, and then now to becoming a proud father of a young champ. So lots of roles added to your life, and all I think played beautifully according to me. Your list of achievements are practically endless, Hiren, and I don't want to waste my time in accounting any of those because I know how hard you have worked. You know how hard you have worked to achieve all that you have done in your life. But what matters to me the most is your grounded nature. All the time I see you being so calm, so composed, and so humble, and always at your best. I always tell kids in class, even today, that intelligence without humility is practically useless. And this is what excites me the most about you, that even today, after achieving so much in life, you have still kept yourself so grounded and so humble. So please, Hiren, don't ever leave this quality of yours. It's a very unique quality in today's life, where people think mostly about their self-interest. I've seen you thinking about others first. And this is what practically makes you who you are today. So please remain humble the way you are and don't ever change yourself. This is one very unique feature that I always see in you, which I don't see in anybody else around in today's life. I wish you all the best in your life to come. Many happy birthday wishes, blessings from my side to you. And I wish you all the abundance of good health and togetherness with your loved ones forever and ever. And on lighter note, I was going through my 2007 record book, and some of your economics assignments are still pending. So please finish all your graphs as soon as possible and submit to me. And you have some more people to wish you. So here's a wish.
Happy birthday, Hiren uncle.
Hi Hiren, have a happy birthday and a great year ahead, and hoping to see you sometime soon.
Alright, Hiren, have a blast, enjoy yourself.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Hiren bhai. तुम जियो हजारों साल. As a boss, your dedication, determination and vision always inspire to us to give our best. We appreciate having someone like you. So again, wish you a very happy birthday and for long and successful career.
Wish you a very happy birthday, and many happy returns of the day.
Today is your special day, and on behalf of entire team of Confice and Everywhere, we all want to wish you a very happy birthday.